the learning outcome, or the point that we're looking at today, really is to understand the structure and function of a generalized human somatic cell. So somatic, that's probably a new word to you. It's not an everyday word that we use in general conversation, and we'll have a look at what that means in a minute. Okay, so session 1, we'll probably take 3 sessions to cover this content of the course, this unit. So one of the things you need to be able to do is to discuss the structure and function of key cellular microstructures. So that means the things that make up the cell, the microstructures. You might have heard them before. If you remember back to school, if you've studied biology at all before, you might have heard them called organelles, maybe. And some of them are organelles. You might have heard of the nucleus, and you might have heard of the mitochondria probably when you were in school. You might remember the chloroplast from plant biology as well. That was another big one at GCSE level. So you've probably heard of some of these before. We're not looking at plant cells, obviously, because we're focusing on human biology, and humans are animals. And what we've got on the screen is a generalized animal cell. As we're going to see later, most of them are very specialized, so they don't tend to look like this at all when you find them under the microscope. But this is quite a general average cell that we're going to have a look at to start with. And animals are eukaryotic organisms. You can see that word at the top left of the screen there. The eukaryotic organisms, that means they're a more complex type of organism. They've got more complex cells